Now, how I'm making over $1,000 every single day with CPA affiliate marketing and ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, this short video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step behind the scenes in 2026. If you're a beginner, or maybe if you've already tried affiliate marketing and have failed, how to do it correctly so you can have sustainable income online. Now, as you can see over here, I have 21 actions or 21 purchases, sales. And over here, if I click 1,222 euros, which is over 1,400 US dollars in 24 hours. Now, let me show you exactly how to do this in 2026. Okay. Now, over here, okay, you see, here's how it works. The most important thing with Google pay-per-click ads is that we are actually targeting buyers' clicks. Okay, we're looking for buyers. So here is how it works. Okay, we find you high converting ClickBank products or CPA products. Okay, that are already proven to sell. So you can make between 100, 300, even $500 or more per sale per commission. Okay, sometimes you have a product for $50 US, but all the upsells will add up. So at the end, you can make from one client, one customer, basically, same person, 500, even 1,000 US dollars per sale on ClickBank, okay, or other CPA networks. Then we set up Google pay-per-click ads looking straight for buyers, right? So the most important thing is buyers traffic. Those are people who are already in mindset shift of buying, okay? People go on Google only for two reasons and two reasons only. First reason is to get educated about some pain or problem you are dealing with. And second of all, to make a purchase, buying decision. That's it. Okay? Only two reasons. Now, the best part about this system, okay, is that you have complete freedom to make your monthly salary, okay, from just 5 to 10 sales. Okay, instead of working 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours at your job, 9 to 5 every single day. Now, don't get me wrong. You don't have to quit your 9 to 5. If you have 30 minutes to 1 hour per day, you can do this on the side. Okay? So you can also spend more time with your family, with your spouse, with your parents, with your kids. Okay? Take extra vacations, travel all over the world. Like, that's my dream. Okay? That's what I'm doing every single month. So as you can see over here, right? You can do this without showing your face on camera, okay? Without spending months and months learning new skills, watching some boring video courses just to get stuck, okay? You don't need any IT or tech experience, and you don't need any kind of sales experience or inventory or shipment, right? Basically, you can do this from your home, wherever you live, if you have 30 minutes to 1 hour per day, okay? Now, you can see what happens once you step inside. Because once you step inside this program and system, it will allow you to finally be up and running, to finally have those sustainable results. And that's the most important thing, having sustainable daily results. All right. So let me show you one of our clients, our students. She's from Spain and she's making over 30,000 US dollars per month now on ClickBank. So English, it's her second language. So if you have excuse, oh, I don't speak perfect English, doesn't matter. Okay? What matters is having desire and dream to make it happen in 2026. All right? As you can see over here, single stay-at-home mom. Okay, another one over here. So we are working together one-on-one over the Zoom call, get it up and running immediately. Okay? Now, what ClickBank affiliate marketing and CPA offers allowed me to do for my life is I have been able to travel to almost 70 countries. Yes, 70 countries all over the world, all the time. So that's my dream. I don't know what your goal dream is, but it's possible to do it in 2026 as long as you have the desire, as long as you're not excuse maker, procrastinator, okay, and action taker. So over here you can see, okay. Now, as you watch this video, if you want to have results, you can connect with me. There is my WhatsApp, yes, my personal cell phone number, and also my email, where you can reach out to me personally, one-on-one. But please, as long as you're action taker, not excuse maker, not procrastinator, not time waster, and you actually want serious results in 2026 with ClickBank affiliate marketing or even CPA networks out there, okay? So you can promote different products, get paid instantly, okay, in the same day, and get something going and make it happen in 2026 for your family and most importantly, for your own self.